So, Mr. Sarthak, how to solve simple indices equation? Okay, let's try to understand this. So, for example, I have this question: find the value of x in the following expression. 9 raised to power minus 4 into 3 raised to power x is equal to 3 raised to power 6. Mr. Satya, can you tell me how to solve this?
Yes, sir. Once.
Mr. Sarthak, what do you think? How can we solve this?
So we can replace 3 raised to power 6 and 9 raised to power minus 4.
Mr. Satya, what do you think?
Yeah, so I think that we have to shift the 3 over here instead and move 9 next to equals to.
Please try to understand. 9 raised to power minus 4 into 3 raised to power x is equal to 3 raised to power 6. So the simple exponential equations that we are doing, the simple exponential equations that we are doing, all that you need to do is make the bases same. So what this means is that I will try to make this a 9 in terms of 3. Mr. Sarthak, how can I do that?
So you can find the prime factors.
Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, what can I do next?
So minus 4. So you can do minus 4 into 2.
Okay, what will be the answer?
So it will be minus 8. So 3 raised to power minus 8 into 3 raised to power x equals 3 raised to power 6.
Mr. Sarthak, what can I do next?
So 3 raised to power minus 8 into 3 raised to power 6 equals 3 raised to power x.
Mr. Sarthak, you can do the things very simply. First, you can deal with these two. So this will be equal to x raised to power m into x raised to power n is equal to x raised to power m plus n. So what should I write here, Mr. Sarthak?
3 raised to power minus 8 plus x equals 3 raised to power 6.
Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Satya, what should be the next step?
So then we would have to find the x. So
Now the bases are same. Can you see? I've made the bases same.
yes, sir.
When the bases are same, the exponents are equal. We have done this before. Mr. Sarthak, do you agree?
Yes, sir.
So what should be the next step? Mr. Sarthak,
So your voice is cracking a lot. Can you repeat?
what should be the next step? Mr. Satya, what should be the next step?
So I think we have to add 6. So like minus 8. Okay.
Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, what will be the next step?
So it will be minus 8 minus 6 equals x.
Mr. Sarthak, do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Satya, do you agree?
Yes, sir.
So, Mr. Satya, can you explain how to solve exponential equations? Can you explain to me again?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So the full one or from.
Yeah, just explain how did I do this question?
Okay, sir. So now it was 9 raised to power minus 4. So first we simplified that. So it became 3 raised to power 2. And outside the bracket, it became -4. So then after that, you found out the answer, like you got the answer for 3 raised to power 2 minus 4. So then you got it as 3 raised to power -8. Then you did 3 raised to power -8 plus x is equal to 3 raised to power -6. Then we created a equation with it. So the equation was made -8 plus x is equal to 6. So then we got the -8 on the right hand side. So it became +8. So 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. So x is equal to 14.
Mr. Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, basically what we are trying to do is, whenever we see a simple exponential equation, we try to make the exponents same on the left and the right hand side. That is the simplest thing that you need to do. Because when the bases are same, then you can equate the exponents. That is what I have done here. Because my bases are same, that is why I could equate the exponents. Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Basically, what I'm trying to tell you is that if 3 raised to power x plus 7 is equal to 3 raised to power 15, Mr. Satya, what will be the equation?
So it would be x plus 7 is equal to 15. Then, so should I tell the answer also?
Okay, if my simple exponential equation is 3 raised to power 2x plus 7 is equal to 3 raised to power 9. Mr. Sarthak, what will be the equation? Mr.
So
Satya,
2x plus equals 9. So 2x plus 7 equals 9.
Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No.
I'll show you another. I think we have done 2-3 videos about exponential equations also. I'll show you those equations also. You can, as a homework, you will have to repeat these questions that I am giving you, that we are doing now. Plus, you will also have to solve the equations which are there in the previous videos and submit them before Monday, Mr. Satya.
Okay.
Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Sarthak ji, how should I do this question? Question number 7.
So it will be -4 plus y equals 1.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
See, please try to understand. See, please try to understand what I'm doing. See, I can see it multiply here. And this is 2 raised to power -4 into 2 raised to power y. So what does this remind me of? This reminds me of x raised to power m into x raised to power n, which is x raised to power, Mr. Sarthak?
So m plus 10.
Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
And that is what I'm doing. I'm doing 2 raised to power -4 plus y is equal to 2 raised to power. This 2 can be written as 2 raised to power 1. Mr. Sarthak, do you agree? Okay. So the question is 2 raised to power -4 into 2 raised to power y. 2 raised to power -4 into 2 raised to power y. This is equal to 2 raised to power 1. Do we agree to this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Can I write this as 2 raised to power -4 plus y is equal to 2 raised to power 1? Do we agree to this?
Yes.
Satya, what should be the next step?
So then we have to make a equation. So it will be 4 plus y is equal to 1. So we have to take the -4 on the right hand side. So it becomes +4. So 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. So y is equal to 5.
Mr. Sarthak, do we agree to this?
Yes, sir.
So again and again, please try to understand what I am doing is I'm just making the basis same. That is all that I'm doing. So for example, 3 into x raised to power 3 is equal to 81. Mr. Sarthak, any idea how to solve this?
So it will be 3. So 3 raised to power 3 into x raised to power 3 equals 8.
Shabash, very nice. Shabash. What next?
So we
This,
can.
what is this equal to? 3 raised to power 3 is equal to 3, 9, 27. So this will be equal to 27 into x cube is equal to 81. Mr.
Yes,
Sarthak, do we agree? Yeah. What can be the next step?
so we can find the prime factors of 81.
Can we write this as 81 by 27? Do we agree to this?
Yes, sir.
Can I write this as 27 3 the 81? Do you agree to this?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Satya, have you understood till here?
Yes, sir.
So we have reached here that x cube is equal to 3. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt till here?
No, sir.
Now here what you need to understand is that this will be equal to x is equal to 3 raised to power 1 by 3. Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. We'll do some more equations. You'll have to repeat all these equations as homework. Sarthak, can you check your book? Is it a divide? Can you check? I think it should be a divide.
So just a second. Yes, sir, it's a divide.
So our question is 3 raised to power y. Can you see what I'm writing? Is it visible? Or should I change the font? I'll use this. 3 raised to power y divided by 3 raised to power 8 is equal to 3 raised to power 4. Mr. Sarthak, any idea how to do this? Mr. Satya?
Yeah, sir. I think it would be minus 2 here. So y minus 8 is equal to 4. Some like that. Is it correct?
Mr. Sarthak, any idea how to solve this?
So we can put 3 raised to power y on the right hand side and 3 raised to power 4 on the left hand side.
Do we agree to this?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Satya, do we agree to this?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, what can be the next step?
So we can, so 8 and 4 can be cut.
What is x raised to power m upon x raised to power n equal to, Mr. Satya?
What, sir?
Mr. Sarthak?
So x raised to power m minus n.
So what will be this equal to, Mr. Sarthak?
3, sorry, 3 raised to power 8 minus y equals 3 raised to power 4.
Do you agree to what I have written?
Yes, sir.
What should be the next step?
So y minus 8 equals 4.
And finally, y would be equal to?
So 12.
Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Sir, this is again is a confusing topic, and that is why I am requesting you again and again that I'll show you another video where we had done these indices equations. Just give me a few minutes. But what I want is at least these equations also. These equations also, you should try to solve them again. If you want, I'll send you some more simple equations and try to do those also. Let us try to do this question. Mr. Satya, how can you do this?
So I multiplied it. Like
Mr.
I
Sarthak,
went on multiplying.
Mr. Sarthak, how can we do this?
So we can find the prime factors of 256.
Shabash, shabash. Can you find the prime factors? Will you find the
Yes,
prime
sir.
factors? Will you find the prime factors? Okay. What is the simple rule that I've told you to solve exponential equations? What is the simple rule? Try to
So
make the
actually we'll find the factors.
see the simple rule for solving exponential equations is try to make the bases same. Do we agree? Should be base same. So I should try to make this 256 as 4 raised to power something. Mr. Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So basically, what I'll try to do is 4, 6. Sarthak, have you understood what I'm doing?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Satya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So Mr. Satya, 256 would be equal to 4 raised to power.
So 4.
Therefore, x would be equal to
4.
Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Let's try to do some more equations so that we are clear. Okay. Mr. Sarthak, how should I solve this? Mr. Satya.
So
Yeah, Mr. Sarthak. Yeah.
so it'll be 3 raised to power 7 plus y raised to power 1 equals 3 raised to power 1.
Do you
So
agree with what I've written?
it'll yes, sir.
Mr. Satya, do you agree to what I've written?
Yes, sir.
Sarthak, what can we do next? What do you propose?
So 3 raised to power minus 7
You can cross multiply this with this with this. So this will be 3 raised to power minus 7 is equal to 3y. Any confusion?
No, sir.
Sarthak, can you tell me the next step?
so 1 upon 3 up raised to power 7 equals 3y.
Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Sir, again and again I am repeating. This is confusing. But we have done many such equations. And you need to do all the questions that I'm discussing here by the next lecture. I think you can submit them by Sunday. Okay. Mr. Sarthak, how can I solve this?
So it's divide, right?
Yeah.
So 2 raised to power 11 upon 2 raised to power 8 equals 2 raised to power x.
Yeah.
So 11 minus 8 equals x.
Yeah. What next?
11 minus 8 is x.
Yeah.
So it will be 11. So it will be so it will be what, sir?
Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So what should be the answer?
So x equals 3.
Mr. Sarthak, do we agree? Mr. Satya, do we agree?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, do we agree?
Yes, sir.
So basically, please try to understand again and again the very simple rule that we need to follow when we do exponential equation is, Mr. Sarthak, what is the simple rule that we follow?
So we need to make the base same.
We need to make the base same. That is the simple rule that we are following. आप अगर उसका बेस सेम कर देंगे, दोनों तरफ का बेस सेम कर देंगे, you will get the answer. Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Just make the base same on the both sides. I'll show you the videos that we had done. One second, just wait for a second.